Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about New York because New York is I don't know, fantastic place. Is it? How cool is New York, really? It's amazing, right? They say if you make it there, you make it everywhere. Should we tear it down? I don't think so. And the reason why I strongly believe that you shouldn't tear it down is that you need a place. You need a place like those zones. Remember back in the day when the crazies were creating zones for people, the special zones, the zero tolerance zones where you could do whatever you wanted, basically. Wow. You need a place like that because otherwise you can't put the other people, the people that want to do their own thing anywhere else, right? So if you tear down New York, that's a big problem for everyone else.